guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to pin Facebook Marketplace icon in shortcut bar. So let's get started. So if you want to pin Facebook Marketplace icon in your shortcut bar, what you can do is just simply open up your Facebook application, and after opening up your Facebook application, just tap on the three-part icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now just scroll down, and inside your preferences you can find navigation bar options, so just tap on it. And after tapping on that option, you can find these two options. You just have to tap on the first option which says customize the bar, and from here you have to search for Facebook Marketplace. So my third option is Facebook Marketplace. What I'll do is just tap on auto. After tapping on that auto option, now what you'll do is just find these following options, which is pin, auto, and hide. What you have to do is just tap on pin, and after tapping on pin, now just come back, and then you have to check if you have added the Facebook Marketplace. So in the top navigation bar you can see the marketplace has been added successfully. So that's it guys, this is how to pin Facebook Marketplace icon in shortcut bar. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.